Want to pray here.
Why not? Why not? Pray. I didn't know. I pray in my home. I don't ask you for permission.
Government, because you're asking about government officials. The head, we know him. That is where it is rotten. Once it's rotten there, the whole fish is rotten. And that's the problem. We have started here in Ndabibi, but we'll be traveling to different places, including that Masabit, where we know land has been grabbed for a mineral wealth that is there. We are going to go to Kilgoris. We are going to go to Kajiado. We are going to go to Taita Taveta on this singular issue and many other parts of this nation. It is their land. And the fortunate thing is that if you heard what the Mheshimiwa had said, Jane Kihara, she said that this property was bought through a man called Benjamin Kipkulei. And Benjamin Kipkulei had a case in court with the Ndabibi people last year, a case with which he lost. He lost that case. He could not prove ownership. This land is owned by the Ndabibi people.
Good. It has really oppressed them both emotionally and physically. And we believe that with this team, we have the Gema, Wado, the Mount Kenya jurist, the media, and every other person who is supporting us. We are sure to win this battle. It's begun. We even know today that the Askaris are all over, but we still believe that this we have started, we are going to win. So I want to thank you and even tell everybody, take courage. This is just a beginning, and we are surely going to win.
Nao atongoria amwe a kanitha wa PCA nimekorete hatĩka-inĩ